All right, Georgia V Sports Cards here. We're doing another box here for Scott. 2016 Topps Series 1 Jumbo. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. We got Miguel Cabrera. Burger's Best. Teixeira. Luke Hoshaver. And two-color patch. Osuna. That's nice. For the Blue Jays. That is 26 of 100. Roberto Osuna. That guy came out of nowhere being a closer, man. Roberto Osuna. What's up, Rob? How's it going, man? I got that select in, Rob, today, so we're good to go on that select. Albert Pujols, Jun Ho, and nice. We got a negative. Justin Turner. What's up, Ryan? How's it going, man? Justin Turner negative. Victor Espinosa, Anthony Rizzo, Wade Boggs. Yep. Classics as well. Classics. Those are the three breaks. Select, Absolute, and Classics. Closest to filling there. Cal Ripken. Evan Longoria. Chris Coughlin for the Cubs. Cubs insert. Mitch Moreland. And Miguel Sano for the Twins. Autograph. Miguel Sano for the Twins. Autograph. Nice. We got Yadier Molina, Burger's Best. Appreciate it, Gruber. Byron Buxton. So it could be 9 left now. Luke Gregerson. Evelyn Jones, first pitch. Fergie Jenkins. And Larry Wolf, red stamp. Red stamps are limited. Limited red stamp. Larry Wolf. There's going to be another relic. Good luck. Maybe a stamp relic. Travis D'Arnaud for the Mets. Number to 2016. 1074. Andrew McCutchen. Hanley Ramirez. Burger's Best. Swisher. Molitor and Yount. And Willie Mays. Nice. Commemorative pin, Willie Mays. Next pack. We got Randy Johnson, Burger's Best. Chris Bryant. Justin Verlander, number to 65, 56 of 65 on the Verlander. Garrett Jones, Votto and Phillips. Steve Aoki, and a sticker. Verlander. Harold Baines. Man, I haven't seen that card in a while. Harold Baines, Burgers, best. Robinson Cano. JD Martinez for the Tigers. Biggio and Bagwell. Don Cherry, first pitch. Jonathan Lucroy for the Brewers. 2016. Alex Rodriguez. Burgers best. Troy Tulowitzki. Jake Arrieta. Paul O'Neill. Babe Ruth, Lou Gehrig. 2 packs to go. Let's get some more short prints. We got Kendall Graveman in 2016. 1398. Dave Winfield, the Burgers best. Andrew McCutchen, Cal Ripken, Eddie Murray, Johnny Knoxville, Ted Williams. And last pack. Good luck, Scott. We got Roger Maris, Burgers best. Ryan Braun, Joe Mauer for the Twins. Josh Harrison, Anthony Rizzo, Chris Bryant, and Gary Maddox. That's a Greg Maddox. Black stamp. Black stamps were standard. Jeremy Soul, appreciate it, Rob. Black stamp. He's just a little different there. There you go, Scott. Appreciate it, man.